Today we are cooking a Gorgonzola cheese sauce. If you don't like Gorgonzola, any other cheese will do, as you melt the cheese in the roux. Speaking of the roux, it is necessary to prepare everything beforehand, as once the roux is started, everything has to be quickly added. For this sauce, cut cheese in cubes, onion in thicker slices if you like the texture, and garlic in rough cuts. Then fill flour into a cup and cover the base of the pan in oil. Normally, they say for roux you need equal parts of oil and flour, but this seems not to work with the flour we have here. So I use the same cup and the same pan for roux-based sauces to get an equal result. For spices, you'll need at least salt and pepper. Spices like nutmeg and paprika powder are optional. It is also necessary to have milk on room temperature and not from the fridge, as the flour will lump if the milk is too cool. Also, please don't ask me about calories. The day you have that sauce, you don't count calories. This is comfort food. And on this note, please like and subscribe to my channel. So, let's get cracking. Time to finish in 5 minutes. Pour oil into the pan and cover the base roughly with about 3 mm of oil. Incorporate the flour into the oil. Keep stirring all the time. When it bubbles, add cheese, onions and garlic quickly. Keep stirring all the time. The cheese starts to melt and the onions and garlic are cooked in the hot mass. Add a little milk and incorporate the milk completely into the roux mass. Then add more milk little by little. After every adding, let it come to a boil. Add milk till you have the consistency you like. I go for a light, creamy consistency. Then add spices to your liking and enjoy. Serve with gnocchi, potatoes, bread or pasta and a good glass of Pinot, of course. This is comfort food. Thank you very much.